Praise today from District Attorney Gill for a Utah police officer who made a quick decision during a chase last fall. The details and video of that incident that happened in Holladay were just released today. News specialist Lad Egan joins us live to walk us through the details. Lad?
Yeah, Deanie, the district attorney focused on the actions of two officers. First, he said the officer who shot and injured a man was legally justified in doing so and that there won't be criminal charges against that officer. Second, he talked about the first officer on the scene of this chaotic situation last September.
Unified Police Officer Jason Hudgens was about to fill up his SUV when he saw an accident and ran to help.
This officer was doing everything right.
Investigators say the suspect, Eric Pechtel, was driving a motorcycle, ran a red light, crashed with a pickup truck, and then tried to run away. Officer Hudgens told him to stop, but Pechtel said he had a gun.
But then he starts to run away, sees his hands come down. He goes, he doesn't have a gun, and I'm not going to shoot him with the perception that he's got a gun unless I can verify. So he reholsters, and he goes on taser.
District Attorney Gill said Officer Hudgens showed incredible discipline during a highly dynamic situation.
And at that moment, he valued that suspect's life, and he put his life in danger.
At one point, Officer Hudgens deploys the taser, but it has no effect. He and Pechtel start to fight. The officer's gun falls to the ground, and Pechtel picks it up. Investigators said Pechtel fired once at an officer who had just arrived on the scene. It was that officer who returned fire, hitting Pechtel 4 times. He survived. In announcing that the shooting was legally justified, Gill took time to praise Officer Hudgens.
And here's a situation when an officer does exactly what they're trained to do and does it with the kind of professionalism and the discipline, I think that needs to be commended and acknowledged.
Pechtel told investigators that he never wanted to hurt police, but that he wanted police to kill him. Also in this report, Pechtel denied shooting the gun, but investigators report finding a bullet that went through the glass door and into the fireplace of a nearby apartment. Deanie, also today I heard from Sheriff Rivera, got her reaction. She said that police officers are trained to adapt to the circumstances, and they say in this case, both officers acted in accordance to their training.